What's the meaning of bursty? Bursty. Bursty.
Bursty. Bursty. The term bursty refers to a pattern of data transmission or network traffic in which the flow of information is irregular and sporadic, characterized by intermittent high peak periods followed by extended periods of low activity. This type of behavior can be observed in various systems, such as social networks, telecommunication networks, and internet data transfer. The consequence of a bursty pattern is that it can lead to network congestion, inefficient allocation of resources, or decreased system performance. Therefore, understanding and managing bursty traffic is essential for optimizing network efficiency and delivering high-quality services.